Good morning, guys! Third day natin sa New York and I'm just doing my makeup. Puti-puti ko dyan tingnan. Pero yun, sa totoong buhay, guys, wala akong makita. Yellow yung lights dito. I'm in front of the window. Nasa bagong room na kami. So, nasa 4th floor na kami instead of the 8th floor. Pero it's way better. Yung room, same lang nung size. Pero, ano siya, guys, may wifi. Every corner ng room may wifi. At saka, okay din yung warm shower. So, yes, we will go to Soho today as well as Little Italy and Chinatown. So, yun yung plano. So, right now, it is, I think, mga 9:20, 9:30 na ng umaga. And for sure, babalik kami dito mamayang gabi pa. So, tapusin ko lang tong makeup ko. Hindi ako nagre-retouch, guys, ha? Kapag nagre-retouch man ako, which is sobrang minsan lang, lips lang. Pero, yung sa mukha ko, yun na. So, yung gamit ko na foundation sa trip na to is yung Hourglass Vanish Foundation lang. Yun lang kasi yun lang yung dala ko. Actually, konti na lang to eh. Ay, marami pa. Marami pa. Hindi kasi ako masyadong nagpa-foundation. Pero dito nagpa-foundation ako, guys. Okay lang kasi hindi naman kasi siya sobrang nahuhulas talaga. Kasi malamig. So, okay lang. And yung concealer ko, same yung Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. I'll just do my brows. Yung eyebrow powder ko din, isa lang din yung dala ko. It's the NYX Eyebrow Cake Powder. Ito, oh. Nagpunta kami sa Target kagabi. And maliit yung Target na pinuntahan namin. So, hindi siya masyadong exciting. Gusto ko sana makeup shopping. Kasi, ang tagal ko na hindi bumibili ng makeup, guys. Pero I don't think I will do it in New York. Kasi wala silang masyadong sale dito. Pag ano na siguro, Vegas, LA, yun may mga sale doon, may mga outlet stores. I'm pretty sure meron din naman siguro dito, hindi lang namin alam kung saan. Sa trip na to, yung pinakamahaba kami magsistay is dito, New York. So, we will stay for 10 days here. And then, the other ones, mga less than a week. Less than a week lang sila. Guys, nakapag-makeup na ako, guys. Yung nasa lips ko is the, ito, yung, ano ba, 3CE na matte lipstick in the shade Smoked Rose. Yan yung shade niya, guys. Ang ganda niya. May pagka-hint ng brown yung pagka-red niya. Hint ng brown yung pagka-red. May ganun. Kaya lang medyo drying to. So kailangan ang ingay, diba, guys? Ang ingay ng construction sa labas. Kailangan moisturize ng lips. Yun. So, nagamit ako ng lip sheer underneath the lipstick. And then, maglalagay din ako ng lip sheer maya-maya. So, yun. Okay na. Ready na ako. Si Dan, hindi pa nakapants. What?
Today's an eating day, so don't be mean to me today.
Whatever mean to you. Finally, guys. Sobrang lapit lang ito sa hotel namin. Pero ngayon lang kami nakapasok. Hershey's. Oh, that looks good, babe. Halloween theme na. Yum. Look at, babe. Hot chocolate. What do you want? I don't think they have coffee. S'mores, babe.
I've never had one.
Never? It's not that special.
We're going today. I'll get another day.
Yeah. But first, coffee for me. Kasi siya may hot chocolate na siya. Gusto ko coffee. Latte lang yung akin, guys. Hello! Nandito kami, guys, sa Subway. Punta kami Soho sa 50th Street. Bumili kami ng unlimited na Metro card. Unlimited, $33 yung nabayaran namin. Plus tax na yun kasi $31 lang ata siya dapat. So, yeah, $33 each. Let's go, babe. How do you do this?
So, like a credit card, swipe it.
Like a credit card. Is that right? Too slow. Swipe again. Please swipe again. I didn't swipe it right.
Nope.
Entry. No? How do you do it? It's too fast. I got it. Here. The arrow. Look at the arrow. Yeah, that way. No. Mga ignoranting bata. You got it?
Where's it go?
Got it. Punta kami Soho. Naligaw kami. Buti na lang, may unlimited metro card kami kasi naligaw kami, guys. So, bumaba kami sa train kasi na-realize namin mali yun. And now, we'll see where we're going. Ayun, guys, babe, oh. My board, babe, yan.
What?
Board. Far Rockaway. That's the one.
Where?
In 3 minutes. So, we're right.
Which one?
A, Far Rockaway? That's what I saw on your phone. Dito na kami, guys. Tama na to. Hopefully. Dito na kami sa Soho, guys. So,
Really?
nahanap
Really
namin
nice.
siya. Yeah, sobrang ganda dito. Hindi ganun ka-busy. Ano lang siya, very chill lang siya na ano. Parang suburb ata to, di ba, babe? And, hinahanap namin yung cronut ni Dan. Pinuntahan namin dito is yung cronut. What's the name, babe? Dominic?
Dominic something.
Dominic
Asel.
Dominic Cronut. Picture kami kanina, guys. Magaganda yung mga ano dito. Mga lugar. Very Instagrammable.
There's jacket from the other one.
Gusto ko yung mga ganyan. Pink jacket yan. Ang cute. So, is it far from here?
It's on this shirt.
Okay, cool. Dito na tayo, guys. Yung yellow daw na ano. Dominic Ansel Bakery. Diba? Ito lang yung pinunta namin dito. Hindi naman. May mga maganda din naman dito. Okay, so it's right next to the Spring Street Wine Shop. Okay. Someone looks happy. Keep your eye on the cronut, not the hole. What are you getting, my love?
Cronut.
I'll share with you.
Yeah.
Thank you.
We're sharing day.
Sharing day. Kanina pa yan pinag-iinitan ni Dan, guys. Oh, black and blue pa. Blow ba? Pero ang gaganda ng mga cakes nila. Grabe. Yan. Food porn. Hey guys, cronut, guys. Hindi yan yung in-expect niya. That's the cronut. It's $7, $6 something. Is it good? Do you like it?
Good.
I don't like this.
Really?
24 yes. And it should be
I don't like it.
Alright.
That's good. Masyadong matamis. Ang daming mga ganyan dito, guys. Yung mga ano ba? Nasa ilalim. Like dun. Dun. Hala. That's cool. Italian bread and biscuit. You're right. Dito ako sa Forever 21, guys. Try ko to. Okay lang ba to? Para akong ano? Para akong ewan. Mas maganda siguro to kapag binan mo yung buhok mo. Dito bagay sa akin to mga ganito eh. Para akong ewan. But gusto ko yung kulay. Guys, we're walking to Little Italy now. Galing kami sa Forever 21. Bumili lang sila ng jacket. Kasi alam niyo itong taong to, hindi nagdala ng jacket or coat. Wala, ganyan lang siya. Tapos may t-shirt sa ilalim. Sobrang lamig, guys. Ako nga, 3 layers na. Tapos makakapal pa. Nilalamig pa din. Siya pa kaya. Ilang araw ko na siyang pinipilit. Ayaw niya talaga. Butin lang kanina. May nakita siyang gusto niya guys sa Forever 21, so we got it. Now we're walking to Little Italy. We will have some pasta.
This is Little Italy.
This is Little Italy na? Okay, nandito na kami guys sa Little Italy. Little Italy, my life. Does this feel like home to you, my life?
I'm from Australia.
You're Italian though. Well, you're Italian, babe.
I'm just chatting at you as Chinese.
Ruby Rosa. Ruby Rosa pizza.
Oh, that's a really good pizza. That's on the list actually.
Is it?
Yeah.
Should we go in there then? Oh no, we're having pasta.
We're having pasta.
Pasta kami guys. Na-miss niya yung pasta.
Should we maybe get a slice?
No. Let's go to the pasta place and then get a slice after if you're still hungry. Grabe siya, oy. Babe, is this you, my love?
I'm only half, babe.
Well, how about this? Did you read this?
Yeah.
And this one? Hug me after. That's you. Ang cute guys. Ayaw niya mag-focus sa baby pero ang cute. Natutulog at baby oh. Ayaw niya mag-focus sa baby. Ewan ko sa'yo G7X. Where are we, my love?
El Corti.
El Corti. El Corti guys. It's an Italian...
Courtyard.
Ah, cool. I didn't know that. Ang ganda dito guys oh. Italian restaurant. Ang ganda. And I got the bow tie with chicken guys. Si Dan, he got carpellini. Capellini. Ang sarap ng aking tignan. Mas masarap yung aking tignan. Ang laki guys, grabe. Kain tayo. Mayroon ding complimentary na bread. Then we ordered Coke tapos tubig. Kain guys. I look like a New Yorker, my love?
No.
You don't like this?
Right.
Can you flip the screen? I wanna check myself out, right? I look stupid. Okay. Tapos na kami kumain guys. It was really good. I finished almost...
Is it actually well, didn't it? Normally don't eat that much.
Yeah. Sobrang laki ng plato guys. And muntikan ko na siya maubos. Hindi ko pa rin siya naubos kasi hindi ko naman talaga naubos yung aking pagkain. Pero Dan helped me. So yan, naubos namin siya guys. The only thing here is kailangan mo talagang mag-tip.
Wait, watch out for the front.
As in, kailangan mo talagang mag-tip. Wait, tingnan mo natin yung frog. There you go. Yes. So, how much did you...
How much was it?
How much did you tip?
15%.
15% kami nag-tip, guys. Minsan nilalagay nila sa resibo nila yung suggested gratitude. But then our dinner or our lunch was $57 plus tip. So abot siya ng mga 100 Australian dollars. Now we're walking to stop babe. Gusto kumain ni Dan dun sa bakery. Halala, nilabang si ate, bisagan lang, bisag stop, yun ba ng labang lagi na sila babe. Labang ta na. Tara babe. Where are we going?
The bakery food.
Kaya nga, bakery. Is it that way? Careful. Yung iba, labang pa more. Bisag stop. Tingnan nyo si Dan guys, nakatayo na siya doon. Sabi ko, picturean kita. Ito yung gustong-gusto niya puntahan, Ferrara. Picturean ko siya guys, kaya lang nandyan pa si kuya. Thank you. Alright babe, look pretty my love. Here, says Ferrara.
Look at the thing on the ground.
What?
See? Since 1892.
Yeah, sabi niya 100 years old na daw to guys. Is that right?
And then you got the banh mi Saigon prosperity, the Asian
Banh mi
taking over.
Saigon.
You got a hot pot there.
Hot pot? Okay. Alright babe.
Creeping right into it.
Let's go. Oh yeah, 100 years there. Food overload. Food porn, babe. Food porn. Dito da yung guys, sobrang sarap na cannoli. Which one are you planning to get, Mala?
That one looks good.
I know. You
I might
would
get
get
that
one.
one.
Of
That's not
course.
the traditional one, but
Chocolate covered cannoli. Maybe you want to get a small one.
I'll get a small one as well. I'll get that one and a small one, you reckon?
Huh? Just get 2 so you can try 2 small ones. Or you want a big one and another small one? Is it a hard choice, Mala?
See what they want.
What did you get, my love?
Chocolate cannoli.
And he got 2. Yung regular lang na maliit na cannoli.
Mmm.
Is it good?
Beautiful.
Is it really?
Mmm.
Oh. Nah, thank you.
I'm serious.
Grabe ka, ano eh, chocolate.
Have a
Yung
bite.
maliit.
Just have a bite.
I don't want it. I don't want to.
Just have it.
Alright.
That's good.
It's good? That's good. Good cannoli, love. It is actually good. The pastry is really good. Oh, look at that. Double coated pa siya. Do you recommend it, babe?
I really love it. Oh, it's fantastic.
The Palos. Gusto nyo i-visit yan, guys. Lahat ng nasa lista mo, babe. Pupuntahan natin yan lahat. Thank you, my love. Ooh, smells like cheese. Oh my gosh, ang lalaki. Para lang ano, butcher ng cheese. Ay, hala. Grabe, bish. Wait, what is that? Is that real?
That's prosciutto.
Prosciutto. Tingnan niyo yung mga cheese, guys. Ang lalaki. Yeah. Wow. Wow.
So good.
It does, huh? Do you wanna buy something from here? Isa to sa mga pinunta namin dito, guys. Pietro Nolita. Pink yung ano niya. Pwede ka ma-picture dito. Pa-picture ako kay Dan. Yes. It's Lovely's Day. Dito ka, Day. Lovely's Day in New York. May nakita na naman si Dan, guys.
That's a nice building as well.
It's Sugar. Punta kami dun. Ganda ng mga building dito, guys. Are you loving New York, my love?
I do love New York.
Do you wanna live here?
I do.
Ah, boot. It's Sugar. It's Sugar.
It's that pod.
That's you.
That's me.
Dito kami sa Washington Square Park. Hanapin namin yung arch. Picture kami dun. Nagpunta lang kami ng New York para magpa-picture. Hindi, nakita ko yung video ni Tess Christine. Tess Christine, ato yung pangalan niya. Ano guys, gumawa siya ng video ng mga Instagrammable na mga lugar dito sa New York. And yung pinuntahan namin kanina, yung pink na restaurant. Tsaka may pinuntahan din kami kanina na hindi ko na na-vlog kasi maraming tao. Ano yung maraming flower, guys. Ipapost ko naman siya sa Instagram ko. And ngayon dito, it's windy. So ito yung arch, guys. Yan. Picture tayo din yan. Hindi ko alam kung paano. Hindi ko naman alam ganyan pala kalaki. Okay, let's figure this out, babe. What are you doing, my love?
Just rubbing you.
Massage, guys. Pagod na ako. Dito kami sa, maganda actually to dito, guys. Ice cream. Oh, what is this shop, babe?
Milk and cream, is it?
Milk and cream? Parang cereal shop siya, guys. Ang ganda ng ano na dito, aesthetic. Aesthetic. See? Ganda. Kanina pa kaya kami naglalakad. Kanina umaga pa. Diba?
Huh?
No, we've been walking since this morning.
That's alright.
Yeah.
It's called a holiday bag.
I know, it's not a walking.
It's
not a walking day.
always what's a walking.
It's a holiday.
It's not a relaxing
lipstick.
holiday. It's a sightseeing holiday.
I'm so tired. tired. Yung ano ko guys, lipstick ko, nag-retouch lang ako ng same lipstick.
Tomorrow we might do that.
Which one?
Oh, actually we won't.
Dito kami sa Chinatown guys. Bili ako rambutan guys. What?
Can we look in that shop?
Sure. Dito kami guys sa Chinatown. Siya shopping si Danny Boy. Nakabili na siya guys dun sa kabila. Nagpahinga ko kanina kasi sobrang sakit ng paa ko. Babe, mga socks. Socks na naman. Shop with love. Pineapple and cactus, people. Candle din yung, pineapple? Candle, pero parang wala siyang wick. Wick, tama ba? Ala, babe, look! Walang pineapple. Cool. Where are we going? Ano to? T-shirt isa $9. Meron silang ganito guys. Magnet guys, 6 for $10 or 1 for $2.
We might have to get 6. I just found our mum.
Do you wanna get Do you wanna get mom and dad? 6 for $10. Do you wanna do that?
Maybe we can. 1, 2, 3, action!
Bumili kami guys ng bubble tea sa Bibi. Bibi bubble tea. Okay lang siya. Mas matamis yung cocoa, pero okay na rin. Masarap. You like it?
I love it.
Pabalik na kami sa hotel guys. East Broadway na station. Balik na kami sa hotel guys. Kakapagod guys. Grabe. We're back in the room. Ano lang ako. Pahinga. Sobrang pagod na pagod ako. Si Dan gusto pa maglakad-lakad. Sabi ko, hindi ko na kaya. Uy, kanina pa tayo lakad ng lakad kaninang umaga. So, pahinga muna. Tapos mamayang gabi ulit. Mamayang gabi ulit, diba? Ano na, magsi-6 na yun ang gabi. So, yeah. Pahinga muna tayo, guys. Guys, gumising ako. Gumising ako. Nagnap ako, guys, ng mahaba. Kasi napagod ako. So,
She
now,
slept.
I know. How many
3 hours.
That's good. That's a really good sleep. I will,
I cleaned the room.
Punta kami, guys, sa labas ulit. Kakain lang kami. Pero sabi ni Dan, huwag ka na mag-vlog. Haba na ng vlog mo. Totoo nga din naman. So, thank you so much, guys, for watching. Please like this video. Bango mo. It smells really good.
Thank you. 1 million.
1 million. That's your perfume, my love. Please subscribe if you haven't already. I hope to see you guys on our next one. Do not forget, be good.
Be bad.